Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I want to show you today how I prepare saffron and how I use it in anything from chicken to red meat, stews, even in marinara sauce. It's a very easy shortcut and you only use just a pinch of saffron to prepare it. And what I usually use is raw sugar, hot water, saffron, and I crush them all together. And I show you how it's done. I realized I was being very loud, crushing sugar with the saffron, so I'm doing a voiceover. I am using just a pinch of saffron, and you sometimes get pieces of flour in there, so I'm getting that out. It's also called stigma. It's the part of the saffron flour that I'm using. You see how hard it is to crush it? So the trick is you add just a tiny amount of raw sugar, and what that does is the grains of sugar really crush the saffron. They're coarse enough that they go between the threads of saffron and really crush it. You can't do it without the sugar, just absolutely no way. My mom and my grandma used this technique to crush the saffron, and you just want, all you see is powder. Your sugar actually in a few seconds turns orange because of all the saffron that is getting mixed with the raw sugar. That looks good. I am rushing it, so you can even do this for a few more seconds until you don't see the saffron threads at all. Just turn it into really like powdered sugar. That looks good. Yes, and I usually get my saffron. It comes in small containers or a glass jar from World Market, Whole Food, or Trader Joe's. And usually I get them in this glass jar, 0.025 ounces, I believe, and it's about $6 to $8. Okay, that's how it looks. Really powdery. And now I will add a few drops of hot water. Color, and that's what you want. That adds color and flavor. See how much you have just with a pinch of saffron. Look at that gorgeous color. And I was rushing. If you have time and you can actually really crush the saffron. Oh, I wish you could. I wish you could be here to smell this wonderful aroma. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay, now it's ready. I'm gonna add it to my rice. And you will see a little specks of saffron in this rice because I was giving it a test. So I just take a spoonful. Let's say this is a whole platter of rice. And I add it, and with a fork, I just go through it and spread it around. Look at that gorgeous, beautiful rice now. Isn't that easy? There. Just go around and spread that gorgeous orange color. So you can add the saffron liquid to chicken, to gravy, to even your sauce, marinara sauce, or even a pasta sauce. A very easy way to use saffron. And with the leftovers, let's say you just made some and used it for just one plate for yourself, just use a plastic wrap and leave it in the refrigerator. It should be okay for another 3 to 4 days. And when you're ready to use it, just add 1 or 2 drops of hot water, and that should be fine. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.